Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks retreated overnight, pressured by a dip in Nvidia's shares as investors waited results after the bell. The Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.12%, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.6%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 159.08 points, or 0.39%. Turning to the US sectors, all closed lower overnight except for health, financials and utilities, which closed flat. Technology was the worst performer on the day, dragged down by tech giant Nvidia. Nvidia's earnings report exceeded expectations, driven by strong demand for AI chips. Despite production challenges, the company reassured investors of substantial revenue from its next-generation AI chips. While revenue for the current quarter fell slightly short of some analysts' optimistic forecasts, Nvidia's overall growth trajectory remains very impressive. Despite the positive earnings, shares declined in after-hours trading, potentially due to investor expectations for even higher revenue projections. Other tech stocks also declined on Wednesday, or overnight Australian time, including Amazon and Alphabet, which both fell over 1%. Microsoft dropped 0.8%. AI darling Supermicro Computer plunged 19% after announcing a delay in its annual report filing. Looking at the Australian landscape, BHP Group tempered its near-term outlook for copper, suggesting a potential slowdown amidst China's economic challenges. However, the company remains bullish on copper's long-term prospects, predicting severe shortages and significantly higher prices. This cautious tone reflects softening expectations across metal markets as China grapples with sluggish growth and prolonged property crisis. And the SPI futures are pointing to a drop of 0.27% or 22 points. The sterling has hit its highest level against the dollar since March 2022 on Tuesday, as investors prepared for the US Federal Reserve to start lowering rates more quickly than the UK's central bank. The pound rose as much as 0.4% to $1.32 after the top central bankers set out differing outlooks for interest rates in the US and UK late last week. Thank you for listening.